Okay, good morning. I just finished the live stream. Yeah, as you know, let's go have breakfast. I'm starving. Bella now always pick up what she wants from the fridge now, see?
What you want? Make sure you're gonna eat. Here, tiger.
No, no, she doesn't want that.
You want one grapes? Here.
Yeah, the weather's terrible, terrible, terrible. It's been raining. Okay. So you're going somewhere with your luggage? My love? Okay. Get your luggage. Just making my usual breakfast. That's a new toaster. I don't like too much actually, but anyway. You burn your fingers. And that's JM breakfast. Fish. It's bloody smell nice. I'm gonna have to pinch some of it. And rice. Okay, let's go back to this puppy fence. As long as it doesn't run. It's very, very windy. But it looks like the clouds are going away. I hope so. Now, how this work? We'll have to open up. No idea. We'll find out. Oh, no power. It's too hard to cut. I can't cut with this. Okay, it's no power. So anyway, JM asked me to cut some grass. But before that, I need to put the coil back. But that wasn't working last time, I think you remember. But I didn't do anything since then. So let's do that now. It's more rain coming. I don't know. Maybe I just crash on the sofa. Okay, no grass cutting. There's rain coming now, so I'm just gonna have a coffee. Crash on my sofa. I still need some help. I'll see what I can do after that. Lucky I didn't start cutting the grass. It's ready. There's a lot of clouds coming, so it's gonna be a while. How's my baby today? She's playing. She's so happy with the puppies. What's up, my love? Huh? They all go to annoy Mimi. Yeah?
Especially the lady.
He wants to play with Mimi. Mimi don't want. You can see she closes her eyes before she wants to sleep.
You know where is Polar? Polar.
Paula went up there to the other neighbor's land.
No, he want to sleep, and Bella is here, so he go down.
Ah, she wants to sleep. That's Coco.
She loves Mimi.
Yeah, Coco loves Mimi. We know that now. So we can recognize Coco because she got the biggest ear and the tallest. See, you can see she's taller than the other, like the father.
She's the shortest.
So she's gonna be a big dog. They'll be shorter, like Lily. Lily is a dog, Mimi is a cat. For those who are confused. No power, rain. I like it, have rest. Lucky Mimi will always fall on her legs. Nothing has changed and I had a nap. Oh, the power's back. Okay. Time for lunch. Oh, yum. I could smell it. This is what woke me up. Very, very strong wind today. Look what happened. Oh, that's bad. Wow. Wow. And I didn't want to do anything today. Okay, fixed. I hope the wind will come down now. Okay, I thought I'd cut some grass. It's been sunny all afternoon. I get the big grass cutter. Start, no problem. Stop 10 seconds later. Maybe I didn't set up the choke properly, whatever. I try to restart again. It doesn't. As soon as I pull, the cord just pushed me back and damaged my fingers. I gotta give up with this grass cutter. So anyway, I just took the electric one. No bad, but it doesn't last long. It's too small. Maybe I need a much bigger one, powerful one. That would be okay, but that's it. So I'm with the bolo now. And I did all this with the bolo, and it was like this. Get blunt very quickly. That's better.
No.
Good morning.
Stop.
Good morning, Bella. She's already good mood, playing. As soon as she got up and throwing things everywhere. Yesterday she threw an egg. Oh dear. Anyway. Alright, a lot of work to do today, so I'm gonna ask the boss which one first. Okay, the wind's come down, thanks God. That thing collapsed yesterday. Nobody got hurt. We were in the kitchen and we heard a big boom. Anyway. Now it's all tied up, so it's not gonna fall. I should have done that, but so many things to do. Alright, let's go into the next job, prioritized by the boss in charge. Yeah, the boss said to work on this doggy fence. I guess I should have cut the grass before putting that fence. So I'm gonna do that, but my battery is off, so I can't cut anything. With the bottle, it's gonna be hard around here. It's not enough space. So anyway, I'm gonna put, while the battery's charging, I'm gonna put the mesh here. As you can feel the camera moving, it's very, very windy. This one is done. Took me a while, I got no experience, but now I know how to handle this. Sometimes it's better to use screws as such if you're using timber. Yeah, and then you can put some wire. Here there will be just a little door, so you can go from here to here, but I will close this, so still a lot of work here. I need to put a piece of timber there, drill some holes and close this area. I could have bought something cheaper, much cheaper than this, but anyway, as long as it keeps the puppy in there safe, that's what it's all about, huh? If it doesn't rain, doesn't look good. Wow. Okay, keep going anyway. Okay, I didn't film it, but I cut the grass all around there before putting the fence. I got a visitor. Look, good looking one. Maybe give to somebody. They're brand new.
Oh.
Yes, I'm filming there.
Sorry.
Show the dress.
This.
It's nice. Yeah.
And some.
Okay, good one. Yeah, let's keep up there in the room.
Mimi boy, ito yung daddy Mimi boy.
Okay, it's getting there. I've been called for lunch. I knew that because I could smell really nice. Okay, let's go have a lunch. You be a good girl. Yeah? You don't work too hard? Oh, you're singing there, I know. Okay. Okay, we just received a delivery from Lazada or Shopee. All for the baby. She needs some clothes.
Wow.
New dress. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Oh, you're gonna be so cute there, my love.
Look, baby.
Oh yeah.
Baby, look, wow.
Oh my God, so much clothes. Yeah. Oh, that's cutie. Tomorrow we'll have.
Yucky.
Oh look. Oh yeah.
Look, dog.
She's all excited. Yo, yeah, very nice. Oh well. More? Oh, you've been spoiled. Okay. Once in a year. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh yeah, more. You showing to daddy?
It's cute.
Okay, my love.
Nice.
Beautiful. Okay, there's more, my God. Okay, this side is finished. I know you're wondering why I put here and not here where the old fence is, because we're gonna redo this. We're gonna redo this fence. So that's why I did this a little bit away. So when we fix it, I don't know when, that's gonna be on the way. Okay, that's it for now. Tomorrow's gonna be more. I'm gonna close this side here and put some kind of door there. We'll do that tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.